In this video, we will show you how to see WordPress version without admin privilege, and this is for education. How to see the WordPress version without admin privilege? You can using three methods. They're easy to use. First, you can using page source by right-clicking on the website and see the page source. To open the page source, you can right-click and choose View Page Source, or using shortcut key Ctrl plus U button. After that, you can press the shortcut key Ctrl plus F button. Okay. Then you can try to find generator. After that, you can see the highlight, the generator with content WordPress 6.3.3, and this is the WordPress version. And this is for the number one of the method. And the number second, you can using feed by adding feed into the last of the URL, and you can see there is also generator in here. Okay, after the generator, you can see the version v equal to 6.3.3, and very easy. And if these two methods not work, you can try to scanning the WordPress version with the online tools like the wpsecurity.com. Okay, and type your URL here and tick this checkbox and click start scan. Scroll down for the results, and you need to wait like a second or minutes. After that, you can see here the online scanner can scan the WordPress version here, and the WordPress version is 6.3.3 in this case. And this is for education. Do not using this method to harmful the other people websites. Okay, that's all tutorial how to see WordPress version without admin privilege. Hope this video helpful for you.